The DJI Osmo Pocket 3 made a big impact when it debuted. It wasn't just another compact camera, it became the go-to choice for vloggers, travelers, and creators everywhere. Why? Because it packed professional-level features into a small jeans pocket-sized design without sacrificing quality. A 1-inch sensor, impressive stabilization, and a flip-out screen all came together in a highly portable package. One of its standout features was the larger 1-inch CMOS sensor, a major upgrade from earlier models with smaller sensors. This wasn't just about adding megapixels, it meant better performance in low light, a more pleasing background blur, richer details, and a broader dynamic range. Even without color grading, the footage looked vibrant and alive. Looking ahead, one of the most exciting rumored upgrades for the next version is the addition of 10-bit color recording. While the current model supports 8-bit color, stepping up to 10-bit would open up new possibilities for color grading and editing, providing more flexibility for professionals. Reports suggest that this higher color depth might be available in both D-Log-M and HDR video modes, making the next Pocket an even stronger tool for creators shooting everything from weddings to YouTube content. Video resolution could also see an upgrade. Currently, the Pocket 3 can shoot 4000 at up to 60 frames per second, and 1080p at 240 frames per second for super slow motion. But leaks hint that the next model might offer 4000 at 120 frames per second slow motion at full resolution without compromising sharpness. This would be perfect for capturing action, dance, or travel scenes with cinematic smoothness, especially when combined with better dynamic range and 10-bit color. Higher bit rates are also expected, reducing compression and preserving finer details in complex scenes like water or foliage. Stabilization is another area where DJI is expected to push boundaries. While the current model already delivers impressively smooth footage while walking, vertical shake the up and down movement has been harder to control. The next generation could bring improvements to mechanical stabilization, smarter software, or both, aiming for smoother walking shots and more natural motion without needing heavy editing afterward. Enhanced gimbal control could also make pans and subject tracking feel even smoother and more precise. Autofocus might take a leap forward too. The next Pocket could feature phase detection autofocus PDAF, the same technology used in many high-end mirrorless cameras. This would make tracking moving subjects much more reliable. There are also rumors of eye-tracking autofocus, allowing the camera to lock onto a subject's eyes, keeping them sharp and in focus even as they move around, a huge plus for solo creators. Additionally, smarter AI-based tracking could improve subject recognition, maintain better framing during tricky movements, and possibly even track multiple subjects at once, useful for group shots and interviews. Audio performance could also see upgrades. While the current 3-microphone system already delivers solid directional sound, future improvements might bring better wind noise reduction, clearer voice capture, and more advanced sound processing. There's even talk of audio zoom features that focus the sound on your subject, or spatial audio for a more immersive listening experience. The screen may see subtle enhancements too. While the 2-inch rotating touchscreen is already bright and colorful, the next iteration could increase brightness, improve responsiveness, or offer a slightly larger display for easier framing. A high brightness mode for filming in direct sunlight would be a welcome improvement. Physically, the design is likely to stay compact and lightweight, similar to the Pocket 3's 180 grams. But small refinements could be on the way, like a more comfortable grip or a textured surface for better handling. One highly requested feature is a built-in inch mounting thread for tripods or rigs, eliminating the need for adapters and making it easier to integrate into filming setups. Weather resistance is another possibility. The current model lacks official dust or water protection, limiting its use in harsh environments. Even basic splash or dust resistance would give creators more confidence to shoot outdoors without worrying about the elements. Battery life might also improve, whether through a more efficient processor or a slightly larger battery, extending recording times. Fast charging, potentially reaching 80% charge in under 20 minutes, could further streamline the workflow for creators on the move. Storage is expected to remain similar, supporting microSD cards up to 1 TB. However, there could be improvements in data transfer speeds, file management, or offloading footage directly from the device. Another exciting rumor points to new magnetic lens accessories, such as snap-on ND filters, wide-angle lenses, or macro options, providing more creative flexibility without adding bulk. Overall, the next Osmo Pocket is shaping up to be a major leap forward. With potential features like 10-bit color, 4000 at 120 fps, phase detection, autofocus, eye tracking, smarter stabilization, enhanced audio, and even weather resistance, it's not just a small update, it could redefine what's possible for creators seeking pro-level results without the bulk of traditional gear. This upcoming release could be the ultimate all-in-one solution. We'll have to wait for the official announcement to confirm everything. But if these reports hold true, DJI's next compact camera might be a game changer.